In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a single item on Alibaba 2025, step by step. We'll start on the Alibaba homepage. In the search bar at the top, type the exact product you want to buy. Earbuds are a great example, and then run the search. This brings up a wide range of listings, but many sellers on Alibaba usually sell in bulk. To focus only on items you can buy individually, open the filters panel on the left side of the results and scroll until you find the min order option. In the min order field, enter the number 1 and confirm by clicking OK. Alibaba will refresh the results to show suppliers who accept single item orders. This filter is key because it saves time and avoids the frustration of opening listings with high minimums. From the updated list, pick a product that looks promising and click into its page to see more details. On the product page, take a moment to check the ratings and reviews section. This helps you gauge quality, consistency, and seller reliability. Skim recent reviews, look at buyer photos if available, and note the overall rating. While you're here, review the product photos, specifications, and any shipping estimates so you understand what's included and how long delivery might take. Confirm that the price shown aligns with your region and that any variations, such as color or style, match what you want. Once you're confident about the item, click Add to Cart. You'll typically see a selection box or pop up asking you to choose the variation you want. Make your choices, then adjust the quantity. Use the plus button to make sure the quantity is set to 1. When everything looks correct, click Add to Cart again to confirm your selection. Next, head to your cart. You'll see your single item ready for checkout. Before proceeding, double-check the quantity is exactly 1, the chosen variation is correct, and the shipping option and cost work for you. Verify the estimated delivery timeframe and review any taxes or duties shown so there are no surprises. If the page shows any available coupons or store discounts, it can be worth applying them. That's the full flow. Search for your product, filter for a minimum order of 1, open a listing, review ratings and details, add the correct variation to your cart with a quantity of 1, and then finish from the cart. Follow along at your own pace, pause where needed, and you'll be ready to place a single item order on Alibaba with confidence.